Hi, this is Rich Ricola here in New York City, and today on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to stuff a tomato. Alright, so we got our tomatoes in there. We're going to get ready to start sauteing, so we're going to use some garlic. You see this garlic is fresh, so we're just going to open it up like that. Just a little punch on the back of it, breaks it up nice and easy, takes out your cloves. Going to use 3 cloves of garlic. And to get them out of our shell, again, same thing, put the front of the knife or the point in front, put the garlic in the back or the butt end of the knife. Just give it a little punch and you'll see it comes right out of its shell. You want to look for brown or hard spots of the garlic, like the tip there is all brown. You want to get rid of that. See any other brown pieces like that, just remove it and get rid of it. You don't want that hard stuff. Again, to get it out of its shell, just punching, bringing it right out. Also, don't forget to take off that stem. Come back, we're going to start chopping this up, getting it all ready for sauteing. Get our onion ready.